Hello adventurers, we are here in Cripple Creek, Colorado. We are hiking to a waterfall here, one of the most popular waterfall hikes, known as Horsethief Waterfall. And I have my mermaid tail, so come with me, hiking as a mermaid. Let's do it. Look, I also have a Mago. This is Maggie. We're gonna see if she makes it. She's got cute little butt and short little legs. Wait, just like me. This was also a whopping 4 minutes away from our campground because we're full-time RVers. And it was very, very convenient. It was a little hard to spot, a little bit just right off the side of the road. But yeah, if you're going in from the parking lot, it's just right to the right. And there was this cool mine thing. What was that? It was Cripple Creek. There's mines everywhere here. I am very impressed with how much shade is on this trail. We're here at about 10:20 in the morning, and it's pretty shaded. I really like it. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling good.
Update, we have now found our first stream. Love water. Love hiking with water. Woo! Some water! So big shout out to this woman right here. This is her first hike after a full knee replacement surgery. And how are you doing?
Yeah, oh yeah. Who loves her knee? Me.
We're now crossing a stream. Cross it, Mago, cross it! Yeah, oh, that was so dangerous. Wow. I don't know if I will ever recover. So according to All Trails, this is a moderate hike. We are Colorado locals, so keep that in mind. However, I don't know if I would call this moderate. This is pretty easy.
This is easy, and Fat Mama gives it a thumbs up.
You heard it first. Here. Another thing that we are loving about this hike, we have seen one person, and that is it. It is a random Tuesday morning, so I would definitely recommend coming on a weekday. However, it's beautiful, and there's no one here. I love hikes where it feels like I'm the only one hiking. Oh, do I see a waterfall over there? What do you see up there?
That's a waterfall, baby.
We're here at the waterfall. Honestly, I feel like that was a pretty easy, painless hike for going to a waterfall like this. You can hear it out here. It's so loud. It's so wonderful. What a nice little random hike that nobody knows about. Okay, let's get the tail out. Okay, so I don't have the insert for the tail. However, we're still gonna make some magic. I'm not gonna go in the water. Here it is. Maggie likes it too. We're both very wet.
Maggie.
Why are you chewing on the stick? Maggie, why are you chewing on the stick? Hi, Maggie. We are on our way back from the waterfall, and we've definitely seen more people now that the day has gone on. So I think if you want to do this hike and not see anybody, I think you need to go during the morning hours on a weekday. But so far, everyone's been really nice. Unless you just want to make friends, then go during the busy times. It's up to you. We are almost back from our hike. Honestly, I thought that was amazing. The way down didn't even feel like a hike. It just feels like a glorified nature walk. So I'm gonna have to disagree with All Trails that said that this was moderate. I'm gonna go with pretty easy. But also, just because it's easy, it doesn't mean that it's not worth it. There was a river most of the time, and then there was also a waterfall right at the top. Anyway, definitely a nice little hike if you're around Cripple Creek or even Colorado Springs. Wouldn't be too bad of a drive for this hike. I would do it for a nice family hike. I think it would be fun. So this is the parking lot. Look at this view. There's a very limited amount of spots. I would definitely get here early. Maggie, I must say, you are a little bit more spry on the way down. Same, girl. Same. Just kidding. I spoke too soon. She needs a break.